was 1958. Elvis Presley was topping the charts, America was booming, and Chevrolet unveiled something that would change the automotive landscape forever. The 1958 Chevy Impala. It wasn't just a car, it was a rolling statement. Long, low, wide, and dripping in chrome, the Impala embodied the flashy spirit of the late 50s. It was the first time the name Impala ever appeared on a Chevrolet, and it instantly stood out from the rest of the Bel Air lineup. Designed to be the most luxurious, most stylish, and most powerful Chevrolet yet, the 58 Impala turned heads the moment it rolled off the line. Look at the front. Dual headlamps, a broad chrome grille that seemed to smile with confidence, and those sweeping body lines that stretched dramatically from nose to tail. The rear was just as bold, with a curvaceous trunk design and 3 signature taillights on each side. A design cue that would become a hallmark of the Impala name for years to come. But this car wasn't all show. Under that sculpted hood, buyers could choose from a range of engines, with the top performer being the 348 cubic inch V8, with optional triple 2-barrel carburetors, known as the tri-power setup. It could crank out up to 315 horsepower. That kind of power, in 1958, meant you weren't just cruising, you were commanding the road. And speaking of cruising, this car glided. Thanks to Chevrolet's X-frame chassis, the Impala delivered a smoother ride and lower stance than its competitors. It felt like you were floating, especially with the optional air suspension system, a rarity in its day. Step inside and you're transported to a time when cars felt like luxury lounges on wheels. Full carpeting, 2-tone color schemes, padded dashboards, and a sweeping jet-inspired instrument panel that wrapped around the driver. You didn't just sit in an Impala, you arrived. The 1958 Impala was more than just a car. It was a reflection of America's post-war optimism. It represented progress, pride, and a sense of style that was uniquely American. This was a car designed to be seen, admired, and remembered. Even today, the 58 Impala holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and classic car fans. It's not just nostalgia, it's a respect for craftsmanship, for personality, and for an era when every curve and contour meant something. Only one model year carried this exact body style. By 1959, Chevrolet would radically redesign the Impala again. But the 58 remained a one-year-only masterpiece, making it one of the rarest and most sought-after versions of the nameplate. Owning a 1958 Impala isn't just owning a car. It's owning a piece of living history. It's the sound of a roaring V8. It's the shine of chrome under the sun. It's the feeling of pride every time someone stops and stares. Thanks for joining us as we celebrated the unforgettable 1958 Chevrolet Impala. If you enjoyed this ride through history, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments. What's your favorite year for the Chevy Impala?